Welcome to this episode of Say It with Scott, where we look at how the words we use affect the lives we live. I'm Scott Sery, I'm a copywriter, and I'm a lover of how we can take a word here and there, twist it around just a little bit, and dramatically change the entire message that we're sending. This episode is brought to you by Strategic Advisor Board and by my company, Sery Content Development. So in yesterday's video, we looked at how we have to pander to emotion in order to really drive home that sale and make that sale. People buy based on the feel-good feelings that it provides them. The problem is they feel cheated if that feel-good isn't justified. There's an old Simpsons episode where he's buying like the McRib sandwich, I believe it is, or some sort of knockoff of that, alternate version. And Homer has the last one, like they're sold out of everything. He has one left and everyone's like, I'll give you $10 for it. I'll give you $100 for it. And this guy trades his car for it. He's like, I'll give you my car for it. And Homer's like, deal. Grabs the car, takes off. The guy's like, McRib's gone. He's like, I have the buyer's remorse. The thing is, he bought that McRib on emotion, but he didn't justify it with logic. So when you're creating content, when you're creating copy for your business, you want to play up those emotions, make people feel really good by solving their problems or making them happy or saving them money, whatever it is, however your product or service works, you sell something that makes people feel something. But if all they do is feel it, but it doesn't really make sense because our emotions kind of lead the way and then we back things up with logic. Now, if you can justify with logic, so you can make them feel good by saying you provide the best beauty supplies in the world, that will make them 10 times prettier if they only use your beauty supplies. And then you back it up with some logic that here's a bunch of testimonials, here's a bunch of people that say it does what it does. Here's some scientific data that you can actually measure prettiness. Then you can justify with logic. Now it's, oh yeah, I want to feel prettier. I want to look better. And now here's the logic that backs it up. Of course I'm going to give you my money because you said you're going to make my life better and you backed up your claims. So no matter what you're selling, you have an emotional appeal and you have the data to back it up. Now when you can weave those two together, that's when the sale really hits hard because you grab people with that emotion, you back it up with logic, and you say, click the links below and reach out and we will provide this for you because we know exactly what we're doing and it will make your life a whole lot better and make you happier and you'll probably be voted Time Magazine's sexiest man alive. Something along those lines. I don't have the data to quite back that one up. Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Say It with Scott. I hope that you found something inspirational and educational that you can take back and apply to your business. As usual, if this didn't make sense, if you need more information, or if you want to talk about how I can provide that emotional and logic for your customers, click the links below, reach out, and I'd be happy to help. Be sure you like, comment, and subscribe. That way you get notifications every time Strategic Advisor Board posts great new content.